Yo, how we doing, guys?
What's up? What's up? We did
Seems
a
like, huh?
call out on sell-offs
On what?
last week.
Oh yeah. Who would have guessed?
Who would have guessed that it would happen?
I think today. What are we thinking today? I think we go up to go lower. There's no way we'd leave some of these lows.
No. We got a lot of trend line going on there.
Yeah, this is all I'm looking for today. Maybe we can get away with the 1 minute today. Like maybe if we run the lows, easy push to the upside.
You're trading on a 1 minute now? Wow.
Nah, I'm actually not. I'm just bored. So we're gonna have to look at the 1 minute. Bro, there's no way you can't hear me. Can you hear me? Bro, this guy is actually...
Ralph, you're not audible.
If that comes out of his mouth, we're actually firing him, bro. There's no way.
Gideon, tell him. Tell him he's not audible.
He's gonna say it. There's no way you guys can't hear me.
He's gonna say it.
There's no way. He's gonna say it. I can feel it. I can feel it. He said it. Alright, time to get rid of him.
Ralph, you're not audible.
He said it, bro. I knew he would. We're getting
And
really
right
good.
after he throws the promo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we got actually a quite special promo going on. We got a buy one, get one free with 60% off.
Yeah,
So get to your first payout and you get the same account size for free.
yeah, that's what he throws in. He just says I'm unaudible, and then he just throws the promo in.
Makes sense. He wants to distract you.
Alright, we should be able to get a long in on NQ. I don't see it leaving. This is the high of the day right now. Is it? Oh, this is Friday's high. This is still the high of the day. I don't think it gets left. If it gets left, then I don't know.
No, the high of the day is not going to get left.
Yeah, I think we should be able to do something like this.
Higher to lower.
Yeah. Something like this would be the most ideal out of today. So let's see if we can get a run below this low. I actually have, yeah, I took shorts today with my model. So we ran the high of the range, closed below here. Once we closed below, I shorted this next candle. I planned on holding for this whole low. And when I saw this candle, I was like, oh, they're not going to run it just yet. Chopped it and then just absolutely nuked it. Where did you
I mean,
in?
did you notice we went into the new week opening gap, that we took out the low at the new week opening gap? That's after that we chopped. That's why we chopped. No, the low within that on 24,403. He run that, and after that we started chopping and started to go up again. But I think there's more in price to go lower.
I think so too. I think we can get this low, then the high, then lower. Let's see. Let's go Son of Wall Street.
Let's go L. Let's go W.
Happy Thanksgiving week. Oh yeah. The Thanksgiving's on Thursday, I think, yeah, this week.
All right.
So yeah. Black Friday. Yeah, so pretty much a short week anyway for trading. I think Monday, today, tomorrow and Wednesday are the only days.
Friday is just before OPEC.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be
That's
choppy
also
day,
the last day, trading day of the month as well.
Yes.
So I'm hoping for some sort of sell-off. I think the high of the year is already made though, so I don't see the need for all stocks to go higher on indices. They could, but crypto looks pretty weak.
The Bitcoin is at 85,000. That's crazy. Who would have thought that beginning of the year?
Low-key me. I remember in like the last stream, it was like a month ago, I said Bitcoin should get to like 90k. I started the year, I was so bullish for Bitcoin though. I said 120k. Then it got 120k. I was like, damn. But I didn't buy or sell either way.
Oh shit.
Which I wish I did.
Full port long, full port short. The goats. Osman, hello. How are you doing? How do you feel?
Yeah, how do you feel that you're in the live stream?
Loki, by the way, Osman is my mentee, and he did a sick payout today.
He did? What did he get?
From I think 8k.
Damn.
Really proud of this guy.
Nice.
And he's been doing that. He's been doing it next to his job. Like he works a lot. He's a hardworking guy.
Nice, bro. Well done. Crushed it. What are we trading today? NQ. I'm looking for NQ to run this low to go higher. I have two scenarios. Runs the low, goes higher, or runs the highs and then goes lower. That's the only two things I care about going into today. I think that's the only play for today. Gold on the other hand though. I would like gold higher, but I just want to see whatever side it takes first. There's no way NQ doesn't take
gold looks kind of choppy though, to be honest. The volume on NQ is all right as of now, but
yeah, let me see the
gold
VIX.
is a little bit chopping around right now.
Oh, the VIX is dying off a bit. Volatility is calming down. This was April for the VIX. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
When it was at 60s.
When VIX is high, it's also a high fear factor in the market.
Yeah, it is. This was just last week. Everyone was scared for the Nvidia news. I don't know. Today, guys, I mean, if you're already long or whatever, you should be able to get this final push. I think we get 24,600 easy. I think that's like the easiest target for today. If it runs the highs, then we can look for the downside. Is Matt not going live this week? He is. He's got to be. I think he only does lives on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I think. Why do you want Matt on a stream? Yo, good morning, bro. How you doing? Did you see GU today? This thing with my model is crazy as well. Look, runs a low,
wow.
just spikes too high. If I traded forex, then I would look at GU, but I'm not trading that market. No, we're definitely just gonna fly to the high, aren't we? I can feel it.
The audience wants 3 of us on stream. So Matt, Rauf, and me.
Yeah,
all right.
And Matt will never trade 9:30. Well, he won't stream the 9:30 open. I know that for sure. He just do like 11 a.m.
It's all right. I can stream to 11 a.m.
Yeah. 11 a.m. is the most boring time, I think, for me, because
True.
there's no open. There's no like, no 9:30s happened. We have a regular trading hours gap, all of that stuff.
Unless we would be chopping around doing New York, 11 a.m. would be interesting.
Yeah.
But other than that, no.
Yeah. You're in my Telegram group? I don't have a Telegram group. I'm joking. You were in my public one, right? That's a nice little group. I have some really good gems in there if you go back to like 2024 or 2023 even.
2024.
Yeah. That's how long I've been around.
Wow. That's a long time. That's like 100 years.
It's almost soul killing how long I've been around looking at NASDAQ.
Bro almost sold his soul to NASDAQ.
Like I feel nothing anymore. At what cost?
That makes sense.
Dude, this was kind of clean. We finally ran. Well, I think once we get this high, we can look for a short, I guess. If we're not going to get the buying opportunity.
There is an actual SMT with ES now, but I don't look at SMTs that much.
No, I think it'll still fly up.
Yeah, especially when open.
Yeah.
Who made some profits already today? I'm curious.
I have a question. How can I mitigate the requirements of a 40%? It depends. Is it the eval or is it the funded? It depends on the payout requirements as well. All right, there we go. We got that high. I still think this high gets taken as well. If you're taking evals, I wouldn't take an eval with a consistency rule, to be honest. I would take it one without one, and then a funded with a consistency. Because there's no point worrying about consistency rule on an eval if you can't keep the profits on it, you know? Unless it's 50%, but 40% is not bad. What's like the profit target on 25Ks? I'm not sure actually.
7% on the first payout.
Yeah, we'd go for like a 50K. Is Project X available? It is.
Yes, it's still available.
You're getting rid of it.
It's going to be available until later this year or January. January is where we stop offering Project X accounts for sure. But we might stop offering it a little bit before that to make the migration as smooth as we can.
What pairs are you on? So if you look in the right up here, well, look in the left. I'm looking at NASDAQ, 1 minute time frame. I took a short. Nice. I took the same short. I took it from here. I think quite a few people actually took the shorts. Monday is usually a very good day.
Good run. That's funny because a lot of people say that Monday is not a good day, but for me, it's always pretty good.
Yeah.
It's calm.
Right, we got the run at the high on NQ. I still think we have higher at the open. There's no way we don't trade to this high. 24,600. Just write it down. Should be able to get it. If we don't, I'd be very surprised. Let me put the magnet emoji. We might have to bring
Someone
the hammer
DM'd me. What is the hammer strategy?
Oh, the hammer
What
strategy?
is the hammer strategy?
Yeah, that one I'm not publicly going to disclose.
Okay. Yeah. It's a secret. It's a strategy that banks use to get price down or up.
Yeah. That's literally what the interest rates rely on for an economy.
As well as the magnet, though, but you just jinxed that one.
I'll try to find the magnet. I can't find it.
You see, that's how disclosed it is. They removed it. They removed it.
Oh, here it is.
Okay. Right. Big magnet.
This is what we're looking for today. This magnet.
So wherever you put the magnet in the market, it's going up or down. What is Finn's strategy? I cannot disclose that either. No. I trade on a liquidity basis, so a time-based range or other liquidity forms like data highs, data lows, and equal highs and equal lows. And then I either look for a 2022 model or an inversion model.
All right. So you guys.
But wherever I sell, price goes down. So.
Told you, you become more of a bear the more time you spend with me.
That's crazy, actually. I was always like, oh, we're close to all-time highs, so I'm bullish. And this guy changed me in a perma-bear.
If you're unprofitable, if you spend enough time with me, I'll brainwash you into becoming profitable.
Hey. I was profitable before.
No, I mean everyone in the chat. So if you guys are here long enough, I will brainwash you into becoming profitable. So this is where we're looking for.
The secret strategy is magnets and hammers.
Yeah, so this is my range. Mechanically, this is a short, but mechanically, I want it to just go here so we can sell.
Yeah, that's right, Osman. I already brainwashed you into it. That's right. But to be fair, this guy's been crushing it. I don't even know if he had... I don't even think he has losing days for the last few weeks. One leg push emoji.
Yes.
Can you stomp down your leg on price, please?
I have a feeling they're just gonna tank it without running this high now. Because we
have I think.
Here. Yo, Joe, did you take the shorts? No way you stayed up all night. You missed the shorts, and then maybe 30 minutes later they just tanked it.
That's crazy.
That would be awful. I hope you caught them.
Well, there is nothing in hoping in trading, but I hope the high gets ran first, because then I'm sure that we then get a clean delivery to the sell side. Yeah, I just don't hope that that it's gonna tank down to the bottom just yet.
It is gonna do it. I can feel it. I can feel it.
What does the magnet do? Initially it's what magnets do. It's attracting.
Yeah, but if you put both of them at the opposite ends,
it's gonna range.
This is where we have both of them. Help me out here. I forgot. I swear if you put two magnets together, they can also repel from the south or the north. Something like that.
I hope we just don't go south right now. I want to get an entry, you know.
No, we're definitely gonna go north. I can feel it. If we don't go north and they tank it, I'm gonna be.
Although I'm hammering down and it's already working.
All right, this is ideal scenarios for us today, guys. Idealist scenarios. Those magnets.
I'm
really
telling
work.
you, this magnet really works.
It could. Let's see if it actually worked.
Do not ever doubt the strategy. This is how you become profitable.
I think gold's just chopping around. Why is my trading view just froze? Alright, we're back. Where's the unicorn in the eye? I retired from using that, bro. There's a time and place for the unicorn in the eye. Today's time and place is the magnet.
Bro got too old.
There is a model called the unicorn model. Like, that's crazy.
True.
Like,
We also got turtle soups, though. But I don't know what's crazier.
Again, Rauf model working. Yeah, guys. It's crazy, you know? I've been profitable with this approach for so long. It's crazy to think it works. Can we talk about this? Unicorn gaming. Please do not tank this. What's my model's win rate? Honestly, just go into the markets, trade my model, and you come back to me and tell me what the win rate is. Because if I tell you it's 100%, either way, you're going to have to test it out. So I'm going to tell you it's 100%. Now, either you can go test it and come back to me and be like, holy shit, it is 100%. Or you can be like, nah, this guy's lying. It's like 10%. But either way, win rate's very subjective to the trader anyway.
True.
For the doom candle, it's going to happen. Initially, I didn't believe it's never... Dude, you guys... I've only shared, like, the tip of the iceberg to that. Like, it goes so much deeper. But you have enough to make really good money. For free. Like, nothing on the internet comes close to my stuff. Dude. They're gonna push it.
I think they're gonna push it. There was an entry model for me on the top on the 1 minute, but I wanted to see price going higher.
To be honest, I didn't trust it right before the open anyway.
Well, break even was kind of close, so get ready for Finn's doom candle. Yeah, doom candle's crazy.
It's gonna happen pretty soon.
I just don't like New York Open lately.
The model's average risk reward.
1 to 100.
Yeah, honestly, just...
No, it's like 1 to 3.
Yeah, you always get like a 1 to 3 out of the market.
Yeah. Is everyone ready for the doom candle?
They're gonna give us the doom. How are you both? I'm pretty well. I can't speak on Finn's mental state though.
Although I should have been in UK now, but
oh yeah, look, you didn't come and the sun's come out today.
Yo, my wife told me it's raining really
Not
badly.
Today. Not today.
Okay.
It might have
I
been
guess
like
that's the reason.
minutes.
I guess there's a reason that happened because I'm not there, right?
I mean,
I'm out here. The sun is always out here.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
I mean,
it probably stopped raining around 30 minutes ago.
Oh.
But the sun's finally come out. I should be in Hawaii. Joe, you spent like a month there. By the way, Joe's one of my one-on-one guys. He spent like a month in Hawaii and he just forgot about me, bro. He just forgot about trading too.
Wow.
I checked up on him. I was like, bro, are you still trading?
Did you quit?
And he just hit me back. He's like, bro, I'm in Hawaii right now.
Leave me alone. It's like this annoying boss emailing you while you're on a vacation.
Yeah, I told him he had to lock in. Now he's locked in. He just stays awake 24/7 now.
He'd be trading London in New York.
He goes to sleep at like midnight and wakes up at like 1 minute before midnight. That's how locked in he is, you know.
That's crazy.
Just super locked in.
Super locked in.
Please. All right, we got a minute until the
no
open.
Candle of Doom today.
No.
Yeah, we're cooked.
It's gonna happen at the open though.
We're cooked.
It's gonna happen right.
The Candle of Doom is already celebrating Thanksgiving.
Then up at 850. That's good. As long as you're getting 3 hours of sleep, you're good.
Legit, yeah. I'll be glad if I get 3 hours of sleep.
It's actually a facade, you know? Like everyone says you gotta sleep 8 hours. You don't. How are you already in? I'm not already in, bro. Someone's probably in this though. Because I'll open my like phone and I'll just have like loads of messages of people in the trade.
One of my students is in, sent me a screenshot.
Yeah.
If we hold the 5 minute, I'm pretty confident that we can go to the high. If we inverse the 5 minute, I think we might run lower for our New York.
Yeah,
like 5 seconds.
I like the lower. I just wanted it higher first. Right. Bro, this gap is huge. We should fill this gap too. So hopefully we get the run to the magnet. Here, then we sell.
That's crazy, this one.
This candle.
Yeah, on the 5 minute.
All of these lows have to go. They have to go. So maybe give us the magnet first, and then we can sell off.
Oh, this is getting really close for the people that are already in.
Look at Dow. Dow just died. Thank you.
He's doing the complete opposite.
But I'm telling you, it's the magnet. The magnet's drawing us here. Like,
yeah, it only works from market open, by the way.
That's the only time it will work. Oh,
yep.
boy. See, the magnet's working.
Oh boy.
Look, Right to the pole. This pole is too strong. Look, it's
No,
pulling it.
no. Joe, if we put 3 magnets, it's gonna go north.
It's gonna go too north.
Like there's no
Actually,
tomorrow. It's gonna go to all-time highs if we do that.
Yeah.
There's limits to strategy, you know. It's like
yeah, you gotta know
don't
the
overdo
limits.
it. Yeah. Banks are gonna be calling you, I swear.
Yeah, don't everyone be pulling out the magnets now. Men in black suits are gonna turn up to your door.
Then nobody hears from you again for some reason. Nobody knows why.
You'll be like the next Bob Lazar. Do you know who that is? That's like a very niche reference.
Yeah.
Look, we're almost there, guys. Almost there.
Almost there. The magnet works again. I mean,
I've had 100% win rate with this. Like every time I pull out the magnet, the hammer, or anything, every time it goes there. So you guys see, this is why I was looking for this high, the magnet as well. Like, just beautiful.
Who did put another magnet? It's going too far.
So who bought that? You know, we got the target of 24,600 as well.
Imagine trusting us this much that when we pull out the magnet, people start buying.
I've already been tagged in a trade. Someone took the short.
Took profits though?
Yeah, they took profit. But someone's in a long
Okay. There.
Bubblers. Right, someone needs to actually make a clip of the time I've used the hammer and the time I've used the magnet. I've never like been wrong.
New course coming. Yo, my wife is watching. Say hi to my wife.
Hi, Finn's wife. Everyone just say hi, Finn's wife.
Hi, Ralph, Finn's wife. No, legit.
Well, I'm telling you guys, this magnet's never wrong. We got the target. Let's see if we can get the downside.
I told you as long as we hold the 5 minute, we would still have a chance to go to the high. Otherwise, I think that we take out the low before going.
Ralph wife, bro.
No, it's not like that. Yes,
okay. Guys.
There you go. There.
We spoke about this.
Thanks to you guys, Ralph is going to a therapist now.
Yeah. After what you put me through, bro. After what you put me through playing on Clash Royale.
Yeah, magnet is never wrong.
All right, we got the high run 24,600. Now we're gonna have to look for a short. Where the hell is this short gonna come from? Maybe, just maybe, if we close below too much. Sorry, Joe. Did you take the long?
No way.
Like the people that just take the longs or like the shorts whenever I say the market's bullish or bearish, you have so much trust in me. Yeah, the magnet worked. It did. Now we're just pumping. Like, I think you guys might have placed magnets as well because this thing's just going.
I think so. Must be.
Like, we're just gone now.
I mean, now it would take a little bit more to go down.
Yeah, I'm not bringing out the hammer just yet. Like, this is all straight bullish candles. This is crazy.
Yeah. I think the bears are celebrating Thanksgiving already.
YM died, yeah. That's horrible. By the way, I think YM will run this high though. If I had to pick between one of these.
I mean, low key, if S&P dumps now, it would have a pretty clear inversion to the downside, but it's going way too much up to take it.
No, NQ is just gonna steadily just push until no one's in a position and just tank it.
Yeah. It's like this morning when everyone was like, nah, not for me today.
Yeah, like this RTH gap has to get filled in. If it doesn't, then
I'm gonna
I
quit
don't know what to
trading.
say. Nah,
Then I'm gonna quit.
because it might happen, might not happen. Then we
Oh
both
shit.
have to quit because we said we'd quit.
Just like ICT when he said, when Bitcoin goes to 100K, I'll remove my YouTube channel.
No, he said Bitcoin's going to 0 now, so it's
Oh,
gotta go
okay.
there.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
No, he did a two-way thing. It was like if it gets to 100K, but he said but it might go to 0, so he still has a potential to keep his channel because he said that Bitcoin can go to 0
Right.
still. So yeah,
He didn't say the time frame, right? So
yeah, he
just
didn't.
maybe.
Like he never said in his lifetime either. So
There's a pretty clear inversion model to the downside on S&P.
oh, ES might be the weakest of these guys.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna close below this. Maybe we can look at ES shorts. There's no way I want a long. All right, ES shorts looks good. Let's just target these lows. If we pump, then we're just wrong at this point. NQ looks strong, but ES looks the weakest right now.
Well, YM looks the weakest.
Whole yeah, but
Yeah.
you just don't know with YM though. Like I would
Nah,
have
that's true.
liked this high gone then before it runs, but ES should
True.
run this low now. If we don't, then damn. Right, we'll look to target like these equal lows on ES. Yeah, the thing with NQ is sometimes when it just rallies, it wants to be like pretty annoying about not trading back to a certain level. Like ES is good, ES is dumping. Would want to see it remain heavy if we can close below this gap now. Close below, and then we should flush to this low. This is our target for the day. 675. Nice. What time are we at? We have 5. We have no news today, right?
No.
No. Bro, we gotta push off this aggressive. The thing is, if NQ stays bullish, it's gonna keep ES up. But if NQ loses strength, then it'll just send ES to the downside.
Yeah.
And it only needs to lose a bit of strength, you know, it doesn't need to lose a lot for us to stop dropping off. This candle, this gap, once we get a body closed below, we should be good enough to get this low. NQ slowly dropping. Yeah, as long as NQ drops, you guys should be good. All right, this gap, we're in it. Close below the gap. The body has to close below this gap. Or preferably it has to close below like 661. Close below 661 and then we get the final low. This gap's the most important one. don't want to see a hold 50%. If we hold 50%, then we're cooked.
Actually,
easiest way to say it. It's because of NQ remaining pretty strong. Dow's dying. Crazy.
there's always a chance that Dow just pulls everyone down.
Yeah. That's only if we die, like,
yeah,
all of this.
Has to be like major.
Caught 4x on YM. Nice. That drop on
4x.
YM. It was lethal. All right, we're holding up this gap. So this was the most important gap, I said, because it's the lowest one in this price leg. So if it held it up, it was going to support it to be bullish. NQ still pretty strong right there. Close below the gap. Ooh, maybe something on gold though. I would expect it to run like 4083. I would be bullish on that. No way ES held it up. That's very
It's crazy.
unfortunate. Alright, hopefully this candle can reverse all of these up close and just close right below. Because we have around, what, 2 minutes until the new 15. Oh, there we go. Alright, this candle we just needed to push below, close below this gap. And then we're kind of Gucci for the final low.
I mean, as long as it closes below the last candle on the 2 minute, then I'm pretty confident.
Yeah, I think so too.
NQ remains pretty strong though.
That's way too strong right now. I don't think it wants to drop NQ right now. It will drop.
No.
I just don't think it wants to do it right now. Right, this ES candle still hasn't dropped off. This opening price it's holding is 820. Right, there we go. Flush it to the low, please. Please just tank it. Because we have the new 15-minute candle. We want to see it close as close as possible to these lows. Oh, no way. Is my screen gone off?
Yes.
Let me get that back on for you guys ASAP. Yes, we're tanking.
Black.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the 15 though. That's a proper manipulation.
Let's go. All right. This is where you guys can TP this move. If you want to hold for the rest, it's 6651. 6651 for the last TP. If we get the last TP, then we'll play GeoGuessr. We'll live stream for another 30 minutes. And then we'll just play GeoGuessr for the rest of it. But so hopefully you guys got that whole move down to here. I think that's more than enough. Really? At least ES stayed weaker.
Yeah. NQ is quite strong still. The close on the 15-minute is strong as well.
Yeah, I think, I don't know, I'd still like ES to close. Below that low, but at least we got the nice little runner. Where did you get in, Joe? Like 75, right? All right, come on.
Oof, that 2-minute close though. Still holding 50%.
It is. Yeah, I just like to see this one just tank. But I don't know. NQ's holding strong.
YM almost ran the lows.
Oh yeah, that's what's keeping the ass. We got the
Yeah,
lower on
got a
YM.
huge SMT. Although SMTs with YM don't say as much as between ES and NQ, but you know. As what we've seen over the past few weeks, this is just classic NQ. So everything moving smoothly and NQ is just chopping.
As soon as you said ES looks better, I was like, yeah, let me just go on to ES. Because this move that happened here, they should have happened on NQ as well. But I knew it just wouldn't do it.
And it's just not NQ's time to drop yet. 1 second.
He's getting swatted.
Wow. NQ is just very predictable nowadays, but in that sense.
In the chop, yeah. I mean, at least we got enough of the move on ES. Fib level.
I mean, an SMT could also bring it the rest lower, but
nah, it looks like a chop right now though. Unless we can close below this 947 candle. How does a 4-hour look? It looks kind of meh, I guess. All right, we have 10 minutes until the new candle. This is the final low. If we get this low, then we're going to play GeoGuessr.
yeah.
Come on.
It's fine. It's me trades. There's another day tomorrow. Just journal and get back tomorrow.
Come on. Push it. Push it.
And Q's going to chop again once the low gets taken out, you know?
I don't care. I'm in ES. If when NQ melts, we're going to die even more.
Yeah.
We're going to get the low. Give me the low, yes. All right, you guys literally...
Let's go!
We literally called this whole move before it even happened.
I called it before. If we get the 1 minute inversion...
Beautiful. That was such a good shout because if you didn't mention ES, I would have looked at NQ. I think NQ can still run these lows. All of these
I think
lows.
so, but it will like take a little bit of time.
Yeah. All right, there we go. Trading, we made money. Now at 10 a.m. we can play GeoGuessr. That's the beauty of trading.
It's just time for us to call wherever we are. Let's see how good our sense of place is. Well, like, to be fair, my sense of that, like, I'm so useless in GeoGuessr. My sense of direction is as good as a dead bird. Like, legit.
So clean.
This was such a clean move on yes.
So good.
So clean.
This was both of my trades today. NQ long shorts. Actually, I took shorts again.
Yeah.
W's. You guys take that? You guys must have taken that, bro. There's no way you
This
guys
was
didn't
so
take that
clean. Too
with the
clean.
model. Like, what were we looking at? Pretty much everything we wanted to start the stream. Go higher to go lower. Played out to the tick. I think NQ will play it out as well. Like, easily these lows should go on NQ. All right, now I would just hard TP, by the way, Joe. Might as well just lock everything in.
Usually for ES, hitting a target like that is not a good sign for NQ. If NQ doesn't come with, very bad sign.
NQ looks awful.
Yeah, looks very bad.
ES is taking shorts. Oh yeah, I just read that. But yeah, it's TP on ES, Joe. Flip it. Why not? Why not? Nice, nice, nice. I did on my Blue Guardian accounts. Full stop. Nice.
Amazing.
All right. If you guys...
It's already 9:53. That's crazy.
Yeah, should we... Do you guys want us to stream until like 10:30? I mean, we already got the trade, but I'm down to play like GeoGuessr or something. We'll become streamers.
Not stake, GeoGuessr.
Yeah, we're not playing stake today. We don't know how to play actually. All right. There's NQ still chopping, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's building liquidity now, to be fair. It's like a little trend line going on top.
I think it should move, but I don't know when.
Yeah.
No, thank you. Damn, bro. Why not?
That's harsh. It's a little bit of a freebie for you guys.
You called my winning trades with my model and you don't want to play GeoGuessr with me and Finn?
I'm gonna cry in the corner.
How could you? NQ looks to be... Honestly, I would just ignore it. NQ. The ES just looks way better.
NQ played the ES played the model, and it's done. If you traded this move, then you're done for today.
Yeah, Ben, you want to play GeoGuessr with us? We're gonna play after. Wait, you have an account, Finn?
What?
On GeoGuessr?
I don't know.
Why didn't I consider taking... Because whenever I trade YM, I always lose. Like, no, it might look good, it might look bad, whatever, I'll always lose. I don't know. I've
YM
never
is
had...
very tricky to me.
It's just very hard to trade for me. Just play Clash. Nah, because I have to play Clash with Finn and his, like, deck's too good. It's actually horrible to play that.
We don't stand a chance in GeoGuessr though.
True.
I mean, I don't know about your sense of direction, but
now you're gonna have to load up GeoGuessr, bro. I can't load it up. It's not loading.
why not?
I don't know. It just keeps saying not available. Then win rate's 50-50. I guess, bro. Whatever you want the win rate to be. W. We did a flip. NQ still. I'm so glad we didn't watch NQ today.
Yeah.
I would have regretted it. Ooh, gold was so clean as well. That's why I was saying that it looks good for the upside.
It doesn't give me anything, GeoGuessr.
It didn't work.
No, it does not.
Man. Alright, we'll just try another day. Maybe Friday.
I mean, it does let me load it up. It just doesn't give me an account.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Don't spam. What's the word today? If you took the W, just spam W's and we'll go with that. Very easy day today, though. If I do say so myself. Like, you guys witnessed the magnet combo.
Yup. Too clean.
Alright. We'll try and run GeoGuessr on Friday then. Hopefully.
We'll be more prepared.
Yeah, we'll be prepared for another win. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Oh yeah, we need to pick the winners. Alright, first one I got is Britannia 6. That's the first winner of the giveaway. Sven, you want to pick one?
Yeah, let's go. Rexy bro, congratulations.
Alright, nice. So well done to those of you that won it. I mean, I think Ethan's live today, Matt's live tomorrow. I'll be live Wednesday, and then me and Finn are live on Friday. We'll run GeoGuessr, but hopefully you caught a nice trade today with us. If you didn't, then just got to study some more videos, I guess, and then we'll be locked in for the next stream. So enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you all on Wednesday and Friday. Take it easy, guys.